Sudhir, we would like to ask you, you have been the founding director of IIT Gandhinagar. Sir, what I understand is like every good researcher or academician cannot be good academic administrator also. You have proved that you are par excellence as far as administrator is concerned, especially for a new IIT. And IIT Gandhinagar, to what we see today, one of the best performing IITs among entire IIT system, it is largely contribution from your side. I want to ask you, sir, what do you think academic administrators should have? What kind of traits to run such institutes? Because India requires such administrators.
So, Dr. Vijay, this is a very interesting question. I think let's go to fundamentals. What do I teach my students? I teach my students, I tell them all the time that life is a continuous learning process and learning should not stop.
Right, sir.
I tell my students that all your life you have to learn new skills. I tell them that what you will learn in your first job or what you will need for your first job is not what you will need in your last job. We tell them all of that.
Right.
To my mind, if your teacher have done a good job on you, you should be able to learn and relearn and relearn and relearn. I think I have been very fortunate to have good teachers. They taught me to learn and relearn, right? So I think as a young faculty at Kanpur IIT, my role was different. I was learning to teach better. I was learning to guide a student better. I was learning to publish a paper better, right? But as a academic leader, I'm learning how to recruit faculty better, how to build the morale of the students better. These are different skill sets. But I think I continue to learn. And I feel that as long as you give your best to whatever needs to be done, you can learn.
Right.
I think there is a resistance to learn. That is the problem.
Yes.
Somebody says, I have been trained to only do structural engineering.
Right.
I will not learn how the structure will sit on the soil. So I will not learn the soil mechanics, for example. Right.
Right, sir.
That resistance. Similarly, I have been trained to be a professor. I will not learn to be a director.
Yes.
Right. As long as you are willing to spend time and go to Gyani people, you have to go to Gyani people. You have to seek their guidance.
That is what we are doing, sir.
That is what I'm doing all the time. That is what I'm doing all the time. In fact, there are many times when my young faculty come to me and they are unhappy with me for some decision.
Okay.
And there are many times I've told them, I said, yaar, मैं भी सीख रहा हूँ director होके ना, मुझसे भी गलती होती है ना. So I feel that if you are willing to learn, if you are willing to improve, whatever responsibility has been given to you.
Yes.
So at Kanpur IIT, for example, I was given responsibility to be placement chairman, right? I had to handle the placement of the whole institute.
Right, sir.
Now I had to learn how the industry works, how the recruitment happens, what are the nuances of recruitment.
Right, sir.
And so on and so forth. At one time, I had to do fundraising for the IIT Kanpur. So I had to learn how the fundraising is done.
Yes.
What are the nuances of fundraising? Why somebody gives money to an IIT, right?
Yes.
So these are totally new sets which you are not born with. But if you feel that you have to do a good job and you're willing to learn and spend time on it, you can do a better job. I think any good academician should be able to become a good director or academic leader, provided they have the mindset to learn.
Great. So Professor Jain very truly said, sir, it is the mindset and learning is lifelong process, and a teacher should always be a student also ready to learn. Wonderful learning from you, sir. That is great.